In this video, I will provide instructions to install Visual Studio Code in Windows. Once the download is completed as per the instructions provided in the previous video, click and run the downloaded executable file. This will display the license agreement. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Then select installation folder. Then leave the application name as it is. Then check these two options. It helps to directly open files from the Windows File Explorer. Then confirm installation. Once the installation progresses and completes, clicking Finish will launch Visual Studio Code. This is the sample display of the Visual Studio Code application installed and launched during 2020. The installation steps and display of Visual Studio Code might vary based on the new versions that gets released in the future. Use this video as a guidance and complete the installation steps